Hey, this is Brian, the overworked IT guy. Whiskey 2 Bravo Juliet Mike, coming at you with an unboxing video today. I've been buying some DMR handheld radios on my journey to get back into ham radio as I'm building my DX rig for HF as well at the same time, and wanted to start digging into the new toys I've gotten recently. So I'm going to do some unboxing videos and then some setup and review videos separate, since I know some folks like unboxing, some folks don't. I personally like unboxings, so guess what? You're getting an unboxing video. So let's dive into this. As you can see, I'm still doing this with the webcam from my desktop, so hopefully all this comes through well. It's an experiment still, we'll see. First unboxing, I have a TYT radio. This is the MD-UV380. This is the dual band DMR radio that they have. It's been out for a little while now. I got this from, as you can see on the sticker on the front there, this is from Radioddity. They've been really good. I'm going to do a store review from Radioddity in a little bit here, hopefully. But this radio, dual band VHF UHF, this is also the GPS version. So let's crack this sucker open here. Got the owner's manual. I'm assuming it's the traditional Chinese owner's manual, half readable, half not. A little verification dongle. By the way, you're seeing this as soon as I'm seeing it. A GPS something or other written in Chinese. Although the other side, as I'm holding it to you, is written in English. Looks like it explains the GPS operation. Yes, in fact, this is a Chinese radio. And I quote, "If U version is GPS 1, please note that you should set it via programming software before using it." So, poor translation as expected. All right, but we're tinkerers, that's what we like to do, so we can figure this out. We've got the radio in a little plastic bag. It's good size. Fits in the hand decently. For comparison's sake, here's the ever so popular Bofang handheld. A little bit taller. And I've got a ICOM IC91A here as well. Again, a little bit taller. I don't think it's quite as tall as the Motorola's, but it's a nice feel, nice weight. Definitely still cheaper plastic. It's got a nice texture to it. It's not horribly heavy, but that's okay. Continue digging through the box here. We've got the bottom traditional accessory pile. I've got a battery which just fell out of the bag. Another 7.4 volt battery. 3 contacts on the back. Kind of hard with the glare there to get that to focus in. In traditional Chinese fashion, it looks like there's a little bump on the here, which the sticker's hiding. We've got a belt clip with 2 screws. Looks like this is the style that screws to the back of the radio. I remember reading that in the reviews. Nope, I am wrong. This screws onto the back of the battery. So when we assemble the radio, we'll get that going. So that means every battery, you need a belt clip, or you need to be moving your belt clip around. I'm not a fan of that. We've got our AC charger. This one actually is 12 volt DC. Spectacular. So that means for these TYT 380 radios, I do not need that funky 12 volt wall wart garbage. So I can power this from a 12 volt source. So that's great. We might try that. Also in here, I've got a programming cable with the programming software. Word of warning, I never use the software that comes with the radios, no matter what the radio. I always go to the manufacturer's website, download a fresh copy, because this stuff does change. Cable is the cable. This goes into the side. So this radio has the speaker mic connector on the side, the one that you're used to seeing everywhere. Big pin, small pin. We've got a tube style. Sorry, I'll take it out of the bag. It's going to be hard to see since part of it's kind of clear. The tube style speaker mic, meaning your speaker is actually in this little box here, this little black package, and then it sends the audio through a clear tube up to your earpiece at fancy FBI style, so you're kind of hidden. Clip-on microphone with a push-to-talk on the side, and then your 2-pin mic connector. Kind of a nice bonus, didn't really expect that. At least I don't remember expecting that from when I bought it. We have our desktop charger. Input 12.5 volts. Fantastic. Looks like we've got a red light when charging, green light when completed on the bottom. And our antenna labeled on the bottom, as most are. It looks like the camera's not going to be able to focus on that. Labeled on the bottom with the frequency range, in this case 136 to 174 and 400 to 480. So let's just see what the total assembled height is on this when I put it together, and give you a comparison to the Bofang. And let's snap the the battery on just for, again, comparison's sake. It looks like this one snaps in from the bottom. It's got these little nubs on the bottom there against these holes on the bottom here. So bottom goes in. At least it looked like it. There they are. Snaps up. And for comparison's sake here, at the same height, Bofang, TYT, you can see the total height. TYT is a little bit higher. From the antenna perspective, even the TYT antenna is a little bit higher. Yeah, kind of hard to say what's inside it. Have not operated with this yet. Obviously, you're seeing it for the first time I'm seeing it. Buttons have a nice positive clicky feel to them. I'm not sure if you can hear that. Again, I felt stiffer, felt softer. Push-to-talk on the side is in this nice orange color. We've got an M button and a programmable top button. We'll get into that in the software. Cover for the speaker mic on the side. Power and channel button up top. This was a nice bonus with this radio, as I wanted the fast access to the channels. I know a bunch of other radios don't have that. It was one of the reasons I bought this as opposed to some of the others, which I'll do the unboxing on. Does the battery come charged? In fact, it does. Power's right up. So I'm going to go through some manual reading, since I've never done the DMR radio gig before. Plug this in, get this charging, and then I'll do some programming videos, maybe some reviews, try it out with my hotspot, and we'll see how it goes. Now that I've got my hotspot on, I've got my radio on, hopefully I can find somebody to test this sucker with and see if my hotspot and my radio are actually working, and give my DMR chops a test. And that looks like that's everything in the box. So thanks for sticking around for the unboxing. If you're curious, if you want to see more unboxings, give this video a like. If you like the content from me in general, please subscribe below for more updates. I've got a nice hefty pile of radios down here to do some unboxings on, as well as some reviews and tests and programming run-throughs. Planning on making a bunch more of these. Hopefully my new camera, or not new, but refurbished camera, will be coming back soon from DJI, so I can get some real video here soon. So again, if you like this video, if you like unboxings, hit that like button down below. Give it the old subscribe if you like subscribe, and I will also post links in the comment section to this particular radio. This is the DYT380 UV, the dual band from Radioddity. Questions, comments, thoughts, feedback, post below. Otherwise, this is Brian, Whiskey 2 Bravo Juliet Mike, the overworked IT guy. 73. Have a good day, everybody.